Hey guys, we're gonna use this spear to get some birds, and we're gonna get the feathers off and make these things. Darts. Let's go get some birds. We're gonna use this for something that you stand up on and then throw it out like that. Right at a bird. Hear that noise? Let's go get some birds. Let's go. I'm just gonna lay down in the brush right here. I'm gonna lay down right now and wait for a bird. Hey. I already found a feather right now. This is a good chance to find some birds. Let's turn around. Now just need to look up high. There's no stuff right now. It's just the tree. There's nothing right there right now. Let's go way over here. Wow. Let's wait over here until birds come. Oh yeah, I know a good idea. Kind of. It's gonna blend in the tree and I think it's a root might have. And I'm just going to lay down in this brush right here. Let's just check if there's anything right here. Nothing right now. Nothing. I'm going to lay down over here, I think. Oh yeah, found another feather right here. It's a bigger one. Now I'm going to do right here. How do I'm going to use my teleporting tool to get me somewhere else where there's more birds. Bye. Hey guys, we're back. With my spear right here. See how sharp that tip is? Don't get close to that. Do not do, you can do this at home, but it's kind of hard. I found a rare hawk feather in my backyard. It's easy to find feathers, but it's not easy to catch birds. Catch feathers. Let's go. Hey guys, we're gonna stay here until we find a bird and stuff. It's gonna be hard to find a bird, kind of, I think. It's gonna be fun. Let's do it. We're gonna hide in this area right here until we find a bird. And my spear's right here too. Right there. Lay down. So hey guys, it's me in this video. I've been recording this whole thing. I think it's like one of Sterling's first part of actually hosting a video. So I'm gonna like blend in with these birds right there. Like I'm gonna put the camera on it and then film Sterling. Like so I don't, yeah.
so he doesn't get caught and I don't get caught. So yeah, here we go. Okay. Hey guys, that place that we said we were gonna do, it did not work out that good. We found another good place right over here. Let's go. So guys, that place did not work out.
Feather right now. Whoa, we found a big feather right now. And it had a cicada shell on it.
That's so crazy. We found this big feather right here.
Let's put it on our spear, I think. I think I want to put it on my spear because it would look cool.
Nah, let's don't do that.
We'll put it back at the shop. Okay, we just got back to base and we got this feather right here. I know somewhere that has a whole bunch of feathers, but we're not going there. It's a house that looks like a big castle. And there's tons of feathers there, but we're not going. Okay, bye. Guys, I think there's going to be a snake under this rock, but let's just check it out. Ugh. It's hard to kind of flip it over. Nope, it doesn't have a snake. It has a poisonous thing. I can't put this rock back right. That's a good idea. Bye. I think we found a new location right over there. And my chair can blend in with the trash can. And I can be right here laying down. What's that doing that? And a bird might land on us soon. Leave that there and I'm gonna lay down right over here. The other day I found a lizard right there. Let's check if there's a lizard over there. Hey guys, I think I found another feather right now. One more feather. Guys, we didn't find a bird yet, but let's go in in the backyard and see if there's feathers or like we could find a bird to shoot at with the spear, or we could just wait right here in this area. Which one would you like? We're gonna lay down right here, testing out first. My spear is right there. Do you see it? Might not see it, but let's try it out. Let's try. See him? It's right there. Lay down. I'm feeling itchy from that other place. I'm gonna have my legs out of it because, my arms out of it. My legs and arms out of it. Actually, we're just gonna go in the backyard because this is really itchy. Let's go in the backyard now. Bye. Hey guys, we've just found this in the front yard that we're gonna get, and then if the bird's on here, on the tip, and it's still alive, we're gonna whack it with this, okay? Let's do it. I feel like a whip, to whip it, and when it's still alive, and that's what I'm gonna say right now.
and you're gonna watch us doing this all this time. And we're gonna go up in this tree house right here. Right here. Right there.
So it's gonna be our little base. I'm gonna be right here. I'm gonna camouflage the camera a little bit. I don't think anybody is.
Out here.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I think we found a feather right here. Found a feather right here. The same as all the other feathers that we found. But I think we found like we can't shoot the blue ones because we can only find the blue ones. And there's a tiny feather right there. Right there.
So hey guys, I'm so proud of you for sticking like right here to the video. I'm so happy you made it this far. I know it's been a lot of clips, but I mean, we don't Sterling's new to YouTube. I'm gonna try and make him a YouTube channel today. So yeah, I'm gonna put a link in the description for his channel when I upload this video. So
it's only gonna be on catching birds and stuff, but
yeah, it's gonna be with him like hunting at his house too. So it's gonna be like a hunting channel sort of. So yeah, please subscribe to him. Please subscribe to me. Like his videos, like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you do, thank you. Sorry, I'm sweating. I never sweat on a video before. Yeah. I'm so glad you guys enjoy my videos. I enjoy my own videos. I know that sounds a little weird, but it's true. So I do not like my own videos because I want to like earn them. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. That will be a wrap, I guess. I don't know. Will that be a wrap, Sterling?
yep, it would.
Alright, let's end it. So, yeah, I'm going to take a quick picture with him, with all the feathers we found today. Let's do this. Creeper, I say to say bye. Yay, 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 yay.